Hello, good evening. Hello, can I have your attention? Yes. Good evening. Yeah. Happy evening. So I'm here to announce one thing. When you see the extomper, there are a lot of people came here and spoke. So one thing we have to understand is, as a CS student, we have to be good at public speaking. That's one of the area where MBAs will beat chartered accountants. So there is a one forum, if you are aware, Chairman sir was speaking about Sikasa Speakers Forum, which will be conducted on every Sunday morning, 8 to 10. Right now, because of this pandemic, it is in online mode where everyone can join. But we are just conducting physical, planning to conduct a physical mode, come virtual. So whoever far away from this place, they can join virtual, and we will be announcing one number. Just you have to message them. They will add to that group. You will get all the updates related to Sikasa Speakers Forum. And if you come there, you will be improving your public speaking as well as networking skill. Because there are a lot of people we are connected to each other only because of Sikasa Speakers Forum. And the guy here, his name is Srivatsa. He's like one of the famous personality in our forum. And he got everything because of forum. And he represented Bangalore branch at national level in various forums and various conferences. So this forum will give you that kind of opportunity. So take help of this, and I request all of you to be regular and take the advantage of this. And we also have to thank all the judges, Satish sir, Panindra sir, because they are all helping us without any advantages while coming as a G's and making us to improve ourselves. So over to is a vice president of forum. He will speak.
Uh, as you can see how confidently he was speaking, he only told that when he had joined first forum, he couldn't speak as well as he could now speak. So you can witness live what forum has done to him. And I'm sure that will do to you also. So just give one attempt, as we all are used to give more and more attempts, but at least one attempt for this forum so that it will somewhere improve your speaking skills. And it's how much it is required. You can witness with this kind of platforms how well versed speakers we have, and they are the product of SSF, that is Sikasa Speakers Forum. So I would request you to join, and we hope that this this bond between us that we have created now will continue more and more ahead also. Thank you.
Okay, guys, now we are at the end of the cultural fest, Exuberanza 2K21. It was very colorful and very energetic. So, I would now we are at the prize distribution session. I would like to request our guest to come up to the dais so that we'll start the prize distribution. Uh, I would like to request Panindra sir, Manjunath Alur sir and Satish sir to escort to the dais.
Hi students. So hope fun-filled event. So everyone enjoyed the session. So I just wanted feedback from a couple of you. Forward and so any of you can come and volunteer and just express your feelings. How was the entire day? Exuberanza Cultural Fest. Come on, come on.
You can just stand up and give your
Patil.
feedbacks.
So, hello, sirs. This is the first time I'm attending. Let it be any ICI program, especially Sikasa Bangalore. So when I think about Sikasa, I always just used to know that there is a speaker forum, etc. But coming to this, and as sir told, maybe a huge number was expected due to our 35,000, 40,000 students mass. But I thoroughly enjoyed. Thank you for the opportunity. I'm sure I saw so many people singing and CA students with a lot of talent today. ಸೊ ನನ್ಗಂತೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಇವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೋಸ್ ಇವನ್ ದ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಚ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ಟೋಲ್ ನೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯೆಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ನೈಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಗಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಫ್ ಸೊ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
brother. Thank you. You, brother.
Thank you.
Your good name? Yashwant.
Like I got to know about this very late, and I also like didn't invite any friends. I just came alone, but I felt that my day has been very well spent day. I really enjoyed it a lot, and I would like to thank all those students who have been like helping for this, because they have taken their time out from their busy schedule and also tried to make this happen. And I'm sure like from next time onwards, I'll also try to come forward for the Sikasa thing and things like this, organizing some event like this. I would like to surely come for that. Thank you.
Thank you. Amma, tell me your opinion and then bless us. Yes, we'll go to Behan. Yes, good. Your good name? Nasim.
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಡೇ. ಇವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಒತ್ತಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಂದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಡೇ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Go to Shivatsa side. Yes, tell me. Ladies first.
Hello all. The program overall was very good. Especially I have never even walked on that ramp. This is the first time I walked on the ramp. That question so. And there was a very new way of giving the topics. I like that one. Should be continuing for every time is actually test your how alert you are, how much knowledge you are having. That all comes out in seconds. And overall, it was a good. And thank you for organizing.
Next is our photographer of the day. Yes, take over.
Okay.
For me, it is actually a quite different day today because, normally my days nowadays are just studies and that's all. So for me to come here and have a good time, it was quite nice, a different experience altogether. Thank you for the opportunity and all.
Thank you all.
Okay.
Yeah. So thank you one and all for making this event a grand success. So first of all, CA students, you proved, though there are only less crowd, but whoever are there, so they are like, if you wanted to take out a diamond out of a this one, so it requires a lot of efforts like that. Even multi-talented CA students are there, so you proved it, and keep participating in all the Sikasa events, not only culturals, but also we'll be having so many activities, especially as I told, it can be for you to succeed in your exams, succeed in your articleship, succeed in your this one day-to-day activities, to inculcate yourself in this one hands-on experience like workshops. All those things we'll be conducting, and also sports we are conducting next month 13th and 14th. We are conducting outdoor sports. So please participate in sports also. So, and not like since everyone knows like CA students morning classes, evening classes, then again daytime they should go for job, articleship, then again Sundays also they will attend full day exams. So their life is all about exam studies or work, everything. But be actively participating like this in all the events. And thank you one and all. And now it's time to announce the judgment, and over to Etish, Vice Chairman.
Thank you, sir. So I request everyone to attend the forum. It will be like the fest every weekend. You will learn many things in the forum. You will the fear on the stage, and even the skills and communicative extemporating and etiquette values will be learning from the forum. So that's the important aspect where you can get many inputs and many values by attending every weekend. It will be just as like a fest what we had today. And now coming to the winners, here we go from the first event, dress classy, dance cheesy, solo dance. The first winner, go, any guesses, guys? So it's Aditya Kolhapure, back the first position. Coordinator. Second position goes to Divya Bhatt. Thank you, Aditya. Divya Bhatt. Solo classical dance. Thank you, Divya. The next one, Pradarshana, Essence of Classics, Solo Classical Dance. The first position goes to, any guesses, guys? Yes, it's correct, Srivatsa, first prize. Thank you, Srivatsa. The second prize goes to Aishwarya. Guys, louder. Thank you, Aishwarya. The third prize goes to Ellareshwari, Ishwaralli. Next, solo classical music. Thank you. The next event is Voice of Instruments, Taranga. The first prize goes to Sneha. Sorry, Neha. Somebody has written yes before her name. Thank you, Neha. The second prize goes to Bhaskar Ishwar Marathi. Guys, hold on. And the third prize goes to Chirag Dandekar. Virtual online. So Chirag, you will be receiving the prize through courier. Yeah. Next. Solo music. Next, solo music. The first prize backed by Bhavya. Bhavya, it's virtual. Bhavya Brunal. Congrats, Bhavya. Okay. Bhavya, can you open your camera? Bhavya, are you online? Are you there? Yeah. Congrats, Bhavya. You have secured first prize. And you will receive a prize through courier. Don't worry. She closed. The second prize is backed by Neha again. Yeah. Thank you, Neha. And the third prize is backed by Vijayendra Desai. Oh. Solo classical music. Next one, solo classical music. The first prize goes to Nirupama. Virtual. Nirupama, can you open your cam? Okay. Nirupama, if you're there, you can open your camera. Okay.
Am I audible?
Yeah. Turn on your camera, Nirupama.
Yes,
Congratulations. You have won first prize
Thank
in
you.
solo classical music.
Thank you, sir.
You will receive a prize through courier. The second prize goes to
Okay,
Akshaya.
sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Nirupama. The third prize goes to, it's again Srivatsa.
Students, I just wanted to give one more award. So, highest participation award. So, can you just raise yourself from the seat? So, minimum one participant, it's already there. So, one event, everyone have performed. So, minimum two events, who are all performed? Can you just raise yourself? Okay. So, count. I did it. Okay. So, and minimum three, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 events, whether you have participated today. 4 is the maximum. And all of you, please come on to the dais. Multi-talented, we can see here. Congratulations and keep participating like this. All the very best.
entertain. ಅವನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ okay 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 and next is Sampradaya, the art of Rangoli. The first winner is Rohini Rajalakshmi. Thank you, Rohini. The second prize goes to Bhavya Bhatt. And third prize goes to Dharini. Thank you, Dharini. The next category is Sikasa Art Competition, Coloring Your Dreams, Painting and Art. I would like to request. Okay, fine. The next event is the Grand Lens of Sikasa, Photopedia. Just a second. One of the coordinator can get me the names. Okay, I request the contestants of painting Rohini and Aishwarya to come to the stage. Yeah. So, yeah. So the winner is Aishwarya. The first prize goes to Aishwarya. second prize goes to Rohini. Rohini. Now the next category is cooking without fire. So we had totally the 4 teams, and the guys, there is any guess who will be the winner? Aditya team, then any other? More, again, any other? Okay. I would like to call the first winners of the team, Rohini, Rajalakshmi and Aditya. Give a big hand, guys. Is any guesses, guys? How many for Aditya team and how many for Akshaya team? I mean, sorry. Then you're calling both of your name here. Okay. The second prize goes to Aditya Kolhapure and Akshaya. Guys, give a big hand for Aditya and Akshaya. Thank you, guys. The third prize goes to Susti S. Chajer and Prince. Photo. Thank you, Susti and Prince. The next. Yes. The next category is Grand Lens of Sikasa, Bangalore ICI Photopedia, Photography. The first place goes to Anasuya, Anagya Suvin. Thank you, Anagya Suvin. The second place goes to Nagendra. Now we are at the last two categories of the winners, that is extemper and fashion show. So in extemper, any guys who will be the winner? Who is going to be the winner? Any other guesses? He didn't perform only. Okay. The best speaker, the best extemper is Rohini. First prize goes to Rohini. Congrats. Congrats, Rohini. The second place goes to Anagya Suvin. The third place goes to Prisista online. Prisista, can you?
Yes, I can
Prisista,
hear you. Thank you so much, sir.
can you on your camera? Yeah, here is your certificate. We'll courier your prize, memento, and certificate.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Now we are at the last event, last category, that is fashion show. So any guesses who is going to be Mr. Sikasa and Miss Sikasa? Guys, any guesses? The okay. The first, the Mr. Sikasa is none other than Aditya Kolhapure. Congrats, Mr. Sikasa. And the Miss Sikasa goes to Neha Kamath. Thank you very much, Neha. Guys, we have successfully completed all the prize winners. I request you to come on to the stage, and everyone, all the contestants, please come on to the stage. So we'll have a group photo. All the prize winners, please come with your mementos. And thank you very much, guys. You all lent a great support in making this fest a grand success. Everyone come on to the stage. Please join us for the photo, group photo. It'll be coming in the institute newsletter. So please join us.